Welcome to this presentation in COPERMAN 2023 conference, Design of a Machine Learning Model in a Customer Relationship Management, 25 leads in an IT company. Authors, my name is Jose Alonso Yucupicio Zazueta, I'm the presenter. Other authors are Agustín Brau Avila and Federico Siret Galán. We are from Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico. Agenda is introduction, methodology, results, and conclusions. Introduction: Customer Relationship Management, better known as CRM, is an enterprise system to manage relationships with clients, opportunities, and contacts and other activities. To increase the number of leads, marketing department must create some marketing campaigns to mine the prospect database. The implementation of a machine learning model is proposed to qualify leads to know whether they will be converted into client or not. Studies have shown that salespeople only contact 30% of leads, according to Saving Garab, and the rest of the leads will keep there in the database without being contacted. In an inspection of an IT company database, only 25% of leads are contacted. We are exploring this work if a machine learning could help us to increase qualifying leads. General objective: to identify potential customer in an IT company through artificial intelligence using software that incorporates machine learning tools. Specific objective: to create a Windows Phone application using C# for marketing interaction. Extraction from CRM: to create a model in Jupyter Notebook using Python to categorize job titles. To analyze through data mining techniques the process of qualifying leads. States of the art: we are going to review logistic regression, confusion matrix, and metrics to evaluate results. Logistic regression is a statistical analysis method to predict a binary outcome such as yes or no based on prior observations of data set. This is the equation: probability equal to 1 divided between 1 plus e with exponential minus y, where y is this equation where the multiple independent variables are x1 to xk, b0 to bk are the regression coefficient, and e is the Euler's constant. A threshold equal 0.5 is needed that allows to binarily to classify our data set into converted or not converted using various features or independent variables. To describe of records. This is the confusion matrix of a binary classification problem where true TP is the true positive are the number of samples belonging to a class 1 that were classified as class 1, and true negatives are the number of samples belonging to class 0 that were also classified as class 0. So to measure the performance of some model, we use different formulas. This is the accuracy, which is the one we are going to use in this work. True positive plus true negative divided into true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. Methodology: data preparation, feature selection, model training, and measure performance. Results: the following features were selected: state or province, annual revenue, number of employees, industry, and job title. Some marketing interactions like emails open, click, website open, and form visited. And this is a supervised algorithm, so we need an outcome. In this case, the last column is converted. For data collection, we exported record from the previous CRM, dynamic CRM, to an Excel file. The database contained 26,606 records, and only 2.1% were of class 1. We created a C# Windows Phone application to extract marketing interaction from CRM, queried marketing interaction from October 10, 2020 to May 5, 2022. And this is the final data set where we have state or province. In the first column, you can see we have the whole name. In order, we have abbreviation. For the job title, we have multiple job title in the same value. And this is the last column is converted, class 0 and class 1. 0 is not converted and 1 is converted. Experiments using notebooks. To use notebook in a local mode, a personal computer was required with Windows 11 and Intel Core i7 as processor. Python Anaconda distribution and Jupyter extension for Visual Studio were installed. We use scikit-learn for logistic regression and natural language toolkit to predict a clean value for job title. We performed 5 experiments. The first experiment with the same number of records for each class, and 70 and 30% of train and test respectively. We obtained an accuracy of 41, 74%. In the rest of the experiment, we were changing the number of records for each class, and in some of them changed the train and test percentage and obtained this accuracy. However, the first 4 experiments, we didn't get a clean confusion matrix, so we discarded those experiments. And the last experiment, we used 133 for class 0, same number of record for class 1. We use label encoding for 9 independent variables, and this for train and 50% of tests. In this chart, we see that the job title container, the main job title for this database are director, manager, and president. And to label encoding, we use numbers according to the responsibility. So number 0 for unknown and number 17 for founder and president. Another experiment, we use one-hot encoding using Panda get domain for categorical variables. So for each industry, we can see here multiple domain variables to with the same information. So for marketing, we are going to see a 1 in marketing column. For agriculture, we are going to see a 1 in the industry column, etc. In the field experiment, the state was converted to 2 letters, and then to regions in the US state, and then to divisions. We can notice in this the east coast of the map at US contained for this sample 300 leads converted. So it gives us a clue that if the record is from this region or division, is a good prospect. This is the confusion matrix for experiment number 5, where we obtained 67.81% of accuracy and 95 true positive and 122 true negative. That's mean 95 records of this sample were classified correctly as converted, that they will be converted, and 122 were classified correctly that they will not be converted. Conclusion: as explained in this work, a Windows Phone application was developed in C# language to extract marketing interaction from CRM. A model to categorize job title was created using natural learning processing. CRM leads data was analyzed using Python and data mining technique, and machine learning model was designed and trained to predict lead conversion. This will help us business development to staff make decisions and make better use of resources, focusing efforts on leads that are best qualified to become true customers. Thank you very much for your attention.